Hi there, welcome to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in this video I will be showing you how to reset your scheduled maintenance reminder. Your Toyota vehicle has been pre-programmed to prompt you every 8,000 kilometers that service should be done on your vehicle. When the alert shows after 8,000 kilometers and you take your vehicle to get serviced at your Toyota dealership, the technician will reset this reminder for you. However, in some instances, you may have to reset the scheduled maintenance feature yourself. For example, if you only drive your vehicle a few times a week for short distances, you may bring in your Toyota for service at the 6-month mark when you only have 5,000 kilometers on the vehicle. Or if you are taking your Toyota on a road trip and you would like to get your service done before you leave, even though it has only been 6,000 kilometers since your last service. In these circumstances, your vehicle will still prompt you at 8,000 kilometers since last service mark, and this may have only been a few thousand kilometers since you actually had your service done. When this occurs, you may use your dashboard to reset the scheduled maintenance feature without having to drive back to your Toyota dealership. I'll be showing you how to reset this button in a 2020 Corolla, Highlander, and Tundra, so you can see an example on 3 different types of dashboards. Let's get started. Right now I'm in a Corolla, and we're going to focus on the main screen on the dashboard in front of the wheel. We are going to navigate through the menus on the screen using the arrows on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. I'm selecting the right arrow, and I'm going to click that once, twice, 3 times until I get to the settings menu, which will look like a little gear. Once I'm in the settings menu, I'm going to use the down arrow to go down until I find vehicle settings. I'm then going to follow the instruction on the screen. It says hold OK to detail the settings. I'm going to locate the OK button and hold it down for approximately 3 seconds, and then it will open the vehicle settings and you'll see scheduled maintenance. Again, it will prompt you on the screen, push OK to reset the reminder, and at this point I will click the OK button. The vehicle will ask if you'd like to reset the data. You would use the up arrow and the OK button to select yes. In this case, I'm selecting no, and I'm going to use the back arrow to get out of that screen and use the right arrow to rotate through the menus to get back to my home screen. So now I'm sitting in a Highlander. I'm going to use the same arrows and OK to navigate through the menus. I'm going to go down arrow instead of right arrow. So down once, twice, 3, 4 times this time until I get to the settings menu, which looks the same as a little gear. I'm going to use the right arrow to rotate through the menus until I get to vehicle settings. In this case, instead of words, it's going to be an icon with the vehicle and the little gear. I'm going to click and hold the OK button to get into those vehicle settings. And now I'm going to go down with the arrow until I find something that looks like scheduled maintenance. It's right at the very bottom. I'm going to push OK, and it will give me the same prompt if I want to reset the data. You would use the up arrow and OK to click yes, and I'm using the back arrow to get out of that menu, and I'm going to use the down arrow to rotate back through until I get to the main screen. And that's how you reset the data on a Highlander. I'm now sitting in a Tundra. It looks a little bit different because the arrows are going to be on the right side of the steering wheel. And looking at the top, we're going to be rotating right through the arrows instead of down. So I'm clicking right once, twice, 3, and in this case, the settings menu is the gear and it's the very last menu. I'm going to use the down arrow to navigate down until I see vehicle settings, and then I'm going to push the little circle button to change the settings, and that's located in the middle of the arrows. Clicking it once, it shows trailer type and maintenance reset. I'm going down to maintenance reminder, and then the prompt will come up if you'd like to reset the maintenance reminder. You would use the up arrow and circle to click yes, but I'm going to click the back arrow and use the right arrow to get back to the main screen of the Tundra. Please note that to maintain the value and condition of your Toyota, going to your Toyota dealership for service every 8,000 kilometers is recommended. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota, and thank you so much for watching.